Nature has given us diamond and graphite. Now we want to make nanomaterials, and we want to make significant amount of nanomaterials with good amount of yield so that we are able to use it in our applications. So what the human being has done is we have found graphene. Problem with there are some problem with graphene. We'll discuss this later. So we went on to derive its derivatives, graphene oxide, reduced graphene oxide, etc. Carbon nanotubes, and also the carbon dots, which is the focus of our workshop. So these are the three nanomaterials which can be derived basically from the available natural source of carbon. Okay, how do we do that? Let's first look at diamond. Is anything possible to do with diamond? Diamond is a very inert kind of material, and carbon has got 4 unpaired electrons, so therefore it can form 4 bonds very happily, and all the bonds are oriented with respect to each other at the tetrahedral angle that we know from our basics physical chemistry study in the school, and the tetrahedral angle is typically about 109 degrees. Okay, now look at the geometrical structure that is shown in the middle, and you see that each tetrahedron is connected to the next one, to the next one, to the next one, and all the bonds are saturated. All the 4 binding sites or the 4 corners where bonding possibility is there, that is all saturated. So these are all very tightly held covalent bonds, giving a lot of rigidity to this material, very difficult to bend or structure it, and therefore melting this material is very, very difficult and happens at very high temperature. So diamond happens to be one of the strongest known materials. Okay. Now because all the bonds are occupied or utilized, that means all the available electrons, unpaired electrons, are utilized in bonding. There is no free electron available. Therefore, this is not a good conductor of electricity because there is no charge carrier. So this is not going to conduct electricity, but it can be a conductor of heat. Okay, heat is conducted through a different path, not mediated by electrons, so heat can be transferred through diamond. Okay, the other problem also associated with diamond is difficult to process. It's becoming very hard material, and it's most insoluble in most of the organic solvents, also in water. So processing diamond to do anything out of it is just out of the question. So the story for diamond actually ends here.
NSTC is again organizing the workshops on very exciting topics. Registration link is given in the description box below. So book your seat as per your availability and interest. For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the links shown on the screen to stay connected.